Welcome, I'm Mark with Sea Ray. We are on the 320 Sundancer outboard. I'll show you how to get to your battery switches and your shore power connections. On the port side, under this hatch, you have a gas strut that holds it up out of your way, your house battery switch, and your engine battery switches as well. There's also shore power connections down below, and you'll find your breakers and resets here as well.